Hey design family, Keerthi here. Cheerful to see you in interaction treasure, and in this video we are going to see the angle driven navigation. Yeah, it bit look complex, right? But I'm pretty sure guys I make it super easy for you. There is three kind of interactions associated here. One is this nav menu hover interaction, and the other thing is this angle reveal, and third is this text reveal interaction. So we have to see this in step by step here. So the first step is nav menu. Okay, there is no more wait, we are entered into the canvas to start it. And I already mentioned in previous videos guys, like there is no more design here, we are only focusing on a prototype. So I provide you the starter kit for every step. So first we are entered into the step 1. So just select this nav menu and command C for copy it and command V for paste it. Okay, the default is pasted here. So what we are trying to achieve in the step 1 is when we hover it, the menu will be look here like the bottom line will grow, and when we click it, it will be like the close mark. So yeah, it's super easy. So when we press the option key and click the drag to duplicate it and rename it hover, and check this line with 66. So we have to change it as 66. It's balanced, right? So again press the option key and drag it and select this line. So it is angled look 40 degree, and this is opposite angle look minus 40 degree. So just select this both and click horizontally center and vertically center and rename it close. That's fine. So this is ready I think, but we have to check one more second. Okay, we have to change it as white because the purple is the background, so we have to change it as white. Hey, these three guys are ready for prototyping. So before enter into prototyping, we have to create it as multiple component and combine as variant and rename it as nav menu. For the better understanding, we rename it. Okay, just enter into the prototype mode. The shortcut is Shift E. So click it and drag it. The trigger will be while hovering, and animation will be smart animate. But we now move to slow. Yeah, and 400 millisecond is enough. This is up to you guys, because if you need this animation become too slow, you just increase the value above 400 or 500, 600, anything that you want. If you need this animation become very speed, just use small values like 100, 200, 300 kind of things. I just choose the mid level of values like 400. The maximum value will be 10,000 milliseconds. Okay, so again the second trigger will be on click smart animate slow, but now I need only 350. So this is completely fine. Okay, I think these three guys are ready for prototyping. So we have to check this with this screen. This is in starter kit. So just select it and press command C for copy it and paste it here. Okay, just copy the nav menu again and copy to paste, plus shift option command V to replace it. Okay, it is replaced now. Now create the flow for it. Just select this screen and click the plus icon and the flow is created. Now we click this, it is entered into the prototype mode. We are going to see our very first interaction of this video. Wow, it works very well, and when we click it, perfect, it will come superb. Okay, so we are moved to our second step, that is angle reveal. What we are trying to achieve here is when we click it, this angle look we have to get. So it looks a bit tricky, right? But it's super easy, I'm pretty sure about it. So these are the frames we need for that. Okay, this is no more any kind of complex stuff. It's very simple. 4 frames contain each pink rectangle. So you have to see here, right? Dashes, dashes, dashes inside rectangles. Okay, there is no more hide here. And just select all thing and press Command C and go here and press Command V to paste it. Oh my illness, it is pasted in the corner. No worries, we have to fix it. So just drag it. But here is the issue, like in between there is a space, so we make it 0. So now it's good. It is angled, right? So we have to make it angle. Just go into the corner and rotate it. And select everything. It's bit. We change it to -32. Yeah, it looks good. So again change it to -32. -32 degree rotation. -32 degree. So option L to. Okay, we have to select everything. Now it's arranged very well. Okay, perfect. Just select the screen and make sure one thing, the nav menu should be in the top, because in this output file when we click it as well, the nav menu only in the top of the layer, so make sure it will be in the top. And one more thing guys, in Smart Animate the layering is more important, so have a look on this stuff. Okay, so we have to change it to close and press Command Shift to select the rectangles. Okay, make sure all the rectangles are selected here and gradually move it. Yeah, it's hide from out of our view. That's completely nice. Now we are going to see that magic. There is one more step for that. Just press the Shift E and click this menu and drag it on click Smart Animate slow, but we need such a smooth animation, so I increase the animation time. Again drag it here, unclick, fine, that's completely fine. We are going to see that angle animation. Okay, again it's loading. Superb. We are going to see our angle animation. Wow, the angle reveal is coming very smooth and perfect. Okay, there is one more thing is waiting for us. What the final step will be, the text reveal animation. It will be like the text is hit on the right from left, so we have to do it now. So just go back to the step 3 of the starter kit. Here we have the text, so just copy it home and paste it here. Okay, it is pasted in bottom, just center align it. Okay, but in our file where it is, okay, it will be in the top, right? We follow it because the structure is looking good, right? Okay, and the other thing is this is 0 1, right? So just copy it 0 1. Okay, this is come very well. And this text is no more thing, this is very simple. And the outer there is a frame and the inner there is a text is placed here, and make sure this frame is stick with the clip content, because that do that text reveal magic. So we just first make sure this first thing is work well or not. So just drag this option and drag to duplicate it, and in this step we have to move this to left because we need it left to right animation, right? So move it and make it as 0%. Okay, Shift E, and we make it as after delay 1 millisecond, and we need it as what kind of animation, guys? It's not a slow, it's a gentle kind of animation, like a little bit bounce effect is added here, so we move to gentle. 800 it's fine, but that much of 800 is not needed. I think we move to 600 or 400. What kind of speed you want, you just move with that. Yeah, that's fine completely. Oh, finally we got it. So our animation is completely done. So rest of the thing is about, I have to do it one more time for you. Enter into design, and the gap will be okay. We have to make sure how much. Okay, 19. We have to make it 19. Look, balanced, right? Okay, we have to move it to the left. Command copy and Command V, and we have to make sure the 02 to 0%, and press the about, and yeah, right align it. Finally we get it. Yeah, did get it. Now we have to check it how it works. Super, finally we get it. So this step is repeated for same 3 and 4 nav item, like works and context. So this is pretty similar, like how we done the home and about. Hope you guys enjoy this navigation video, especially the angle reveal, because in the starting stage you imagined it definitely it will be a complex one, but I'm sure this is pretty much simple. You have to practice it, because practice make a perfect prototyping. So happy prototyping.